Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay guys, Brendan is doing a 2.7 swap, which come in S4s?
Yeah, the older ones.
The older S4s, same year or older than that?
No, older than this.
Older than this. This is a 04A4.
It's an ultra sport, so everything in S4 has suspension. Those are S4 rims. Everything in it is S4.
Okay. Oh really?
And I have the wide, these thingies are fucking S4.
So an S4 really just looks like this?
Yes.
It's like taped, is it double-sided taped on?
The back plates, they fell off.
Yeah, it happens.
These are like impossible to find.
Okay guys, stay tuned because we're in the stage of taking the engine out. You know, it's kind of a bitch, it looks like. Shouldn't be that bad though. You need a light? Oh shit. Dude. No, you're good, you're good. Sorry, did I blind you? Oh. You're using that little guy?
I don't have the other half of it. Someone lost it, dude. I've had this for like 12 years.
Yeah, that's true.
It's been through a lot. Come on.
So we just found out their torque's on the inner wheel well, which kind of sucks. If they strip, it probably won't be that bad. Oh, the bump. Is there like a lower half of this bumper?
Yeah, we have to take off all those bolts.
By the way, look what he's making me use. Because he doesn't have many tools here, so I don't know how we're going to do a 2.7 swap.
No, I have them here. I just don't know where they are. I just found that and I felt like making it work.
No, I'm kidding. It's fine. We're fine.
We got time.
Yeah, we got time.
My engine doesn't ship after a week.
My lens is such trash.
It's beautiful, just like you.
Okay, anyway, so we got the, oh thanks, sorry. So anyways, we got the side bolts out, gotta get the bottom, bumpers coming off, core support's coming off. We got the engine hoist. Stay tuned.
I'm removing a bumper.
Am I clear though?
What are you doing?
Doing your job.
Can you hurry up and finish?
Oh, fucking Christ. Oh, I swore. Oh, shit.
That's not good.
Oh, demonetized.
You're going to hell.
I'm getting like 20 views on this video. Nobody cares about this.
I don't. And it's my car.
This pole is so long. Alright.
So just pull it forward.
Get that guy. Okay, now we have to get the washer.
Just drop it on the floor.
I think it'll drop. That's the,
yeah. Well.
Oh shit! What's up?
Yeah.
Oh sweet, thank God.
Okay, that's cool. Just don't scratch my bumper. Put it on the cardboard that you had laid down for your feet.
Set the. Here, hold it up. Here, give me that.
Oh, Will. Hi. How's it going?
Oh, pretty good, yourself?
Great. Can I buy your engine hoist?
Yeah, that's fine.
Can we come get it now?
Right now?
Damn.
I mean, as soon as possible.
Is this in the middle?
No.
It's not. It's really not.
No, it's really not. Engine noise.
What are you fucking freaking out for? Don't turn so hard, by the way. Look, it's just staying there. Hell yeah. We made it.
Why did you bring his
Why are we here?
Why did you bring his beamer? I need engine hoist. Oh shit, this side of the driveway is not showing.
Whoa. Did you just hit the engine hoist, dude?
Yeah, dude.
Did someone miss the driveway? Is someone a poo-poo stinky driver?
Oh, dude, why didn't you tell me?
Because it's still going to be a minute
Hey, Will.
Hey, how's it going, bud?
Good, man. How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
I haven't seen you in forever.
Yeah, it's really good.
Sorry. Alright, moving out? Or, what do you want to do?
I gotta throw up the tire first. It's a little,
Oh, damn.
it's
Really?
a little flat on this side.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Okay.
And
Let's get it. Actually,
It's so much for a vlog.
are you fucking kidding? I don't know if I broke the. Yeah, it's broken.
What side are you?
I don't know yet.
I don't know.
What the f?